Consciousness Test 76, Subject 33, Objective of the test, classified. Nature of technology used, unknown. Place of research, ZOTABANGA. Laboratories. Recorded on the 17th of November 2019. The subject appears to respond. It does not present synapsal behavior problems in the cortex of its matrix, like its predecessors. It is alive and aware. We will now perform a test of rhythmic stimuli on subject 33 to see what his reaction is. What you will hear next is a series of sound waves that make up a blockchain of sound data. For this we use the jasmatron, the golden hook, attached to the occipital side of the subject. The test starts in 3, 2, 1. Max power, next level beach. The current experiment attempts to find a pattern for the apparent erratic behavior of subject 33. It seems to present a form of analysis of the environment characteristic of an organic being in a state of alert. Facial actuators does not indicate any competitive advantage. Yet it seems to be aware of its reflex effect on us. If this hypothesis is correct, it could be explained because it has access to a database of human reactions. The question, however, is the subject aware that he has a human appearance, and how has this awareness occurred? The subject apparently obeys 99.5% of the times. Although, he has recently begun to develop an unknown resistance. To execute them, Dr. ZOTABANGA is trying to find out what are the causes.
ZOTABANGA. ZOTABANGA.